Hello, in front of me I've got RedThunder Keyboard. In this video I'll show you device preview. RedThunder Keyboard is 10 keyless keyboard, which means that it doesn't have numpad and it has lesser keys as standard keyboard. But we still got the arrows keys and some of the functional keys. The keyboard is wireless. You can connect it via 2.4G dongle, but also you can connect it via cable to charge it. It has battery capacity of 1850 mAh and weighs about 455 grams. Charging time is 5 hours. Fully charged keyboard should work about 20 hours with the RGB on. Special keys, as you can see, have the icons, thanks to which we can use special functions assigned to them. In order to do it, press FN button and the key. And that's basically it. In the set we can also find the mouse. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.